And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning, and it's still a messy one in the Northeast, but some places are definitely improving. Washington, D.C. is in the clear now after a messy day yesterday. Still, after some rain in New York, this has been the story of this system. So many places seeing one type of precipitation type and then ending with another. Started out as rain in New York City, but now they're ending with a little bit of snow. It looks like it'll finish up just in time for things to be drying out in the afternoon. And this is all going to wrap up later on this morning, fortunately, after this messy day and overnight in the Northeast. Meanwhile, yesterday was quiet in Texas, and it's still quiet in Texas today. High pressure is still in control of our weather, and so there's not going to be a lot of clouds. There's going to be no chance of rain, and though it's very cold this morning, we are going to be warming up nicely this afternoon. When you have these kind of conditions, you can cool down a lot, but you can also warm up a lot. So yes, it'll still be pretty cold 8 a.m. this morning, but once the sun is up, we'll be seeing those temperatures rise quickly, and much of the afternoon is going to be spent in the 70s with low humidity, still a lot of sun. I think we'll start to see a few clouds start to work in along the coast, but even as we get into the evening hours, I'm still calling for mostly clear skies. No chance of rain for your evening plans. Temperatures will be in the 60s during the evening, and then we'll continue to drop into the overnight hours. Now, partly cloudy to start tomorrow. I do think the clouds are going to thicken up as we go through the day, and starting around 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, that's when the rain chance will begin. But notice not a lot showing up, just some tiny little blips of green. Even into your evening hours, your Saturday evening plans. Yes, there could be a couple showers around, but I think most of us will be staying dry. Now, the later you're out Saturday night, the better chance you have at seeing some showers. And I do think the best chance rain will be from midnight on. That said, this is still not much rain compared to what's coming on Sunday. Already by Sunday morning, I think we'll be dealing with some scattered light showers in the valley. I think we're going to be looking at widespread rain in the afternoon, especially early and mid-afternoon, right ahead of that cold front that's going to be moving in. And it looks like the front will finish working over us late afternoon, evening hours, so still a pretty good chance of rain on Sunday. So now, it looks like, though, the best chance of rain will be early and mid-afternoon. There's going to be a chance of rain throughout the day on Sunday. So I show you this to stress the fact that though there's a very small chance of rain on Saturday, you should make your plans to do stuff outside for Saturday. Now, looking at rainfall, again, most of this is going to occur on Sunday. You can see that a lot of places will be seeing around a half, 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch. But what I do want to stress is the possibility that we could see some thunderstorms. And when you have thunderstorms on Sunday, that could lead to a few spots seeing up to 3 inches of rain. Again, I don't think that's going to be widespread by any means, as the model is showing here. But I do think sometimes the model doesn't show those isolated totals that can be quite a bit larger than most other locations. So that's a heads up. And the best chance of seeing those bigger totals will be near the coast. Day planner for today, sunny skies through the morning and very early afternoon. We'll call it mostly sunny in the later afternoon. Mid-40s at 8 a.m., but already 72 at noon, 71 at 5 o'clock. We could briefly hit the mid-70s around mid-afternoon today, but then we'll start cooling down. But not as cold as the last few nights have been. 63 at 7 o'clock, 60 at 9 o'clock, and 58 if you'll be out at 11 o'clock. Mostly clear skies, still light winds, so there really won't be a wind chill factor, which will make it even nice. Eventually, we'll get to 54 degrees. Mostly clear skies again during the evening hours. Late tonight, the clouds will thicken up a little bit, and that more than anything is going to keep our temperatures from bottoming out too much. Though we'll warm to 74 for our high on Sunday, the temperatures will drop. And then look at all the 60s next week. Rain chances are best on Sunday and Monday, but we'll be backing off into next week. And it does look dry for Thanksgiving, but still cool with a high of 69.